Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this Motorola. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to choose Privacy section after scrolling down. It's under Security. And tap on Permission Manager over here. Then you need to click on one of your device's options. I will go with Camera. From here, select an app, like Chrome, and tap on one of those options. Allow only when using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I click on the back button and swipe up, as you can see, Chrome just gained access to this device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always go back, pick any feature, and look for an app that you are interested in. For example, I will go with Location and click on Facebook. Then click on See All Facebook Permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!